Better biking with survival skills.
The most common collision between car and motorcycle happens when a vehicle emerges from the left and into the bike's path. Sorry mate, I didn't see you. But when we actually look at the number of places vehicles can pull out, is it really such a surprise? Look what's happening here. With the lights on red, a black MPV has pulled out and a bus has followed. And behind the bus, there's another car. Will that driver try to push out too? The front wheels are still rotating, so he's not stopped. I carry on, but ready to stop myself. Any dropped curb is a potential danger point, and gaps in traffic may also conceal entrances. The giveaway markings and the double yellow line here are good clues. At the next turning, the wide pavement allows an excellent view. But why is there a warning sign just here? The answer is that the next pair of turnings aren't so easy to spot. Remember, search for places vehicles can emerge. Evaluate, what if a vehicle emerges into my path? Execute, be ready for evasive action.